Welcome geniuses, I'm Genie, your best buddy for A-levels. In this channel, we'll bring you to explore the secret formula behind success.
Question 38, to find the total resistance between P and Q, you will notice that the current will come in from P and come out at Q. So that means it will split to 1, 2, and 3 parallel branches. So this will be in parallel to this, in parallel to this. So total resistance in parallel will be 1 over 28 plus 1 over 14 plus 1 over 7, and then you'll be able to get your resistance of PQ.
That's all for today's video. If you're interested in more genuine sharing by other geniuses, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell, ding dong. Also, if you're struggling with 1 or 2 past year questions and the mark scheme just doesn't seem to help, Genie has got you covered. Feel free to let us know what question it is by filling in the Google form linked in the description below. Genius Hub will get genius teachers to fulfill your request for the solution. Genie will see you next time. Bye-bye.